281 species in genus Cissus. October 18th, Cissus, the climbing vine, represents October 18th. Cissus symbolizes growth and connection. You form meaningful relationships and flourish in new environments. Like its climbing nature, you reach for the stars. Cissus, my exploration of an intriguing genus. Hi, I'm Ferdvu, and I'm fascinated by the plant genus Cissus. This diverse group of plants, belonging to the great family Vitaceae, has captured my attention with its variety of forms and adaptations. From the lush rainforests to arid deserts, Cissus species have found ways to thrive in a multitude of environments. Join me as I delve into the world of these fascinating plants. What is Cissus? Cissus is a genus encompassing roughly 281 species of primarily woody vines. These plants are predominantly found in tropical and subtropical regions across the globe. They are characterized by their tendril climbing habit, often adorning trees and other structures with their lush foliage. The leaves of Cissus exhibit remarkable diversity, ranging from simple and heart-shaped to deeply lobed or even compound. Many species boast vibrant fall colors, adding a splash of brilliance to their surroundings. Diversity within the genus. One of the aspects that I find most captivating about Cissus is the sheer variety within the genus. Some species, like Cissus quadrangularis, have adapted to arid environments, developing succulent stems to store water. This particular species, with its distinctive square-shaped stems, is even used in traditional medicine for its purported healing properties. On the other hand, species like Cissus antarctica kangaroo vine and Cissus rhombifolia grape ivy thrive in more temperate climates and are popular houseplants due to their attractive foliage and ease of care. I myself have a Cissus rhombifolia climbing up a trellis in my living room, and its lush green leaves bring a touch of the outdoors inside. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Why I find Cissus so interesting. My interest in Cissus stems from a deep appreciation for the adaptability and resilience of plants. This genus showcases the remarkable ability of plants to evolve and thrive in a wide range of environments. From the delicate tendrils that allow them to climb to the varied leaf shapes and sizes, Cissus species demonstrate the beauty and ingenuity of nature. Furthermore, the ethnobotanical uses of some Cissus species, like Cissus quadrangularis, highlight the interconnectedness between humans and plants. It's fascinating how people across different cultures have utilized these plants for medicinal and other purposes. Exploring the world of Cissus. I encourage everyone to take some time to appreciate the beauty and diversity of Cissus. Whether you're an experienced botanist or simply a lover of plants, there's something to captivate you within this intriguing genus. Perhaps you'll be inspired to add a Cissus to your own plant collection or simply take a moment to admire these fascinating plants in their natural habitat. I'm excited to continue my own exploration of Cissus. With so many species yet to discover and so much to learn, I know that this genus will continue to fascinate me for years to come.